Model, 64 plate Ford Transit Custom 330 Trend Eco-Tech 2.2 TDCi fully working HIGHTOP fridge van MOTED no VAT bargain. Body, white, fridge. Mileage, 0. MOT, the 12th of September 2025. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2125 PS TDCiB. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. No warning lights on the dash. Fridge unit works perfectly. Lots of MOT ready to get in and go to work. Absolute bargain, no VAT. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very